Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can edit your store name in Shopify, shipping label, and packing slip. Basically, you can not only change the name on packing slip, but edit the whole template. And this is a very straightforward tutorial. Most of the people are aware of it, but unfortunately, most of the store owners are confused whether we can edit this thing in Shopify or not. So let me tell you, you can edit both the templates, and I will show you in a quick tutorial now. So what you have to do, you have to click on settings, and after clicking on settings, you have to click on shipping and delivery, and there you can find the options. Most of the options related to shipping and delivery are found in this section, so you have to discover all the section. By the way, I have already created the separate video for local delivery and pick up in store, how you can enable it, so you can make sure to check the video in my YouTube channel. So you just have to scroll down and you will see this option, shipping documents. So this is the area where you can edit this your store name, and obviously not only store name but all other stuff as well, in packing slip as well. So for customizing store name on shipping label, you have to click on this one, and then it displays your custom. So it displays your by default store name, but for some reason, if you want to display a custom name, like it is your local authority requirements that you cannot use your store name, you have to use another name. So it depends on the area, so you can add a custom name from here. So it will like Ahmad Mustafa, my name. Okay, so this is how the store name can be changed on the shipping label. So whenever you will print the shipping labels, it will show Ahmad Mustafa instead of your by default store name. Okay, so packing slip template, the best thing is that you can edit the whole template without using any external app. Shopify has this feature. So for example, this is the let's preview how it actually looks like. So how the packing slip looks like, and then I will tell you how you can edit it very easily. So as you can see, this is how it looks like, and you can edit almost all the stuff in it. Okay, for example, if I want to change my name, I don't want to display my custom name, the by default store name, so I can write Ahmad Mustafa. And also if I want to create thank you for shopping with us, I want to change this thing. So for example, let's go down. So you just need a little bit of idea of basic HTML and CSS. If you don't have an idea, you can just copy this code to chat GPT, and it will tell you where you can edit the data. Currently I'm looking for thank you for shopping with us. Let's Yeah, so thank you for shopping with Ahmad Mustafa. So I'm just trying to show you that you can edit almost all the stuff. And obviously I don't want to show my email again. Yeah, I don't want to show my email again and again. So I think email is not required for now. So yeah, I think also that shop domain is not required as well. So let's save it, and I will show you how the changes are done. So this is the packing slip template, so you can edit the template. Let me show you how it looks like after our editing. So let's wait for a few seconds. And yeah, as you can see, Ahmad Mustafa and thank you for shopping with Ahmad Mustafa, and the store email and the URL is removed as well, so you can easily edit the template. This is just a preview. So I hope the things are clear. And again, just to repeat, that you have to go to settings and then shipping and delivery, and you can edit both the templates from there, and you can easily edit your store name without any issue. Please let me know if you have any confusion regarding this. Already made a lot of videos regarding the shipping, and this was a video uh, for which the store owners can be confused. But just tweaking a little setting, you can easily change it without hiring any developer. So customize store name on shipping label. Enter the shipping documents you can change from here, and packing slip template can be deleted from here. Thank you very much.